Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use a Capitec Topup Voucher using the mobile app. First, unlock your phone and open the Capitec app. Once you are signed in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the option labeled Transact. This section contains all the features related to payments, transfers, and purchases. Next, scroll through the options and tap on Buy Vouchers. This is where you can purchase airtime, data, and other types of vouchers. Now, you will see different voucher options. Select the type of voucher you want to use. After selecting the voucher type, choose the bank account you want to use for the payment. Then, enter the amount you want to send. Make sure the amount is correct before moving on. Next, type in the recipient's cell phone number. Double-check the number to avoid sending the voucher to the wrong person. Once everything is filled in, tap on Buy. The app will ask you to enter your PIN to confirm the transaction. Enter your PIN carefully to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation message once the purchase is successful. Thanks for watching.